Kitty, come here. Come here. Kitty, come over here. Kitty. Kitty, don't be a bad kitty. 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 So cute. Guys, so someone could be watching me right there, so I have to be quiet. It smells like crap in there. Okay, Monday. Aka. Okay, so this is my mom over there. Okay, so, guys, Kitty, you still there? Okay, let me just be a little bit close. Kitty. You don't like the camera, though. Kitty. So cute. But this is not my kitty. Kitty's so sick. Yeah, I wish you could see them. But tomorrow, I'm going to school. I have this bad cup. Kitty, have you ever been listening to me? Oh, bad kitty, aren't ya? Okay, so I gotta go. So, I don't know. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know my channel, then my channel is what's it called? Cat Lady 349. Cat Lady 323159. Kitty, are you a follower? I love cats. Cat Lady 323159. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me just okay then. Oh, I hope I'm gonna get kitties if they're awake. So when they wake up, I'm gonna show you them. Okay, kitty, but kitty. And peace out, guys. Bye.